Okay, so right now, this is what my closet floor looks like. I can't walk in it or anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to empty out everything onto the floor, and then I'm going to make piles of stuff and organize them, whether clean, dirty, jeans, shoes, all that stuff, and then work on putting them back. And I'm going to take you guys along with me. And then after I do all that, I'm going to do a very quick dress declutter. So if you like the idea of that, then just continue watching this video. Okay, so here are like bras that will be, those ones are I'm keeping, these ones are going on Poshmark. That's all like throwaway, kind of like ruined stuff. Here's all my jeans, pair of shorts, things to go up on hangers, and here are shoes. And here is what the closet floor looks now. There's still like stuff back there, but that's like kind of a situated mess. So that's like, it's fine the way it is, because I have like a bag of bags, things I'm selling on Poshmark, old hair things, and like hamster bedding and mouse bedding and stuff back there. So what I'm gonna start doing now is putting everything back where it belongs, because the stuff that belongs in the hamper I already put there. So now we just have to put away the clean clothes. Okay, so now that there is all my dresses. So I'm going to go one by one, figure out what I'm going to keep and get rid of. And I'm also going to be decluttering in this video some skirts. Now for this video, I'm going to go one by one and show you guys each one and figure out if I'm going to keep it or get rid of it. But if you want, in the next video, if you want me to keep doing it that way or just time-lapse the whole thing and then update you guys after, comment down below which one you would like better. But for this video, I don't have a lot of skirts, I don't have a lot of dresses, so I'm going to go one by one and explain each one. So to start, I'm going to go with skirts because I own 3 skirts. This one I have never worn, so I'm going to declutter this one. Same with this one. This one was given to me by my sister because she was getting rid of it, and I've never worn it, so I'm going to be getting rid of that one too. And I'm going to be keeping this one because, I mean, I've only worn it once. I like it, and I might wear it again soon. I have no idea. So out of the 3 skirts I own, I'm getting rid of 2 and keeping 1. So on to dresses. This is the first dress. I recently showed this dress in a Shein haul, and I liked it. I thought I liked it, but then I put it on. It's comfortable, but you put your arms up like this much and your ass is hanging out. So I'm going to be decluttering this one. This isn't a dress, it's an Elmo onesie, but I keep it with my dresses and I'm gonna be keeping it. This is a dress slash cover up for you know, wearing a bathing suit, and I love this one so much and I'm going to be keeping it. This is a black and white jumpsuit, and I feel like I can never get rid of this because of how classy it is, so I'm going to be keeping this one. This is a dress that I wear a lot in the spring and summertime, so I'm going to be keeping this one. This is my favorite nightgown. Normally, like, I keep all my other pajama stuff like in a drawer, but like since this one's a dress, I like to keep it in my closet. I don't know why, but it's my favorite and I'm gonna be keeping it. This is one of my favorite dresses that I own. However, I have never worn it because when I bought it, it was just a little bit too tight on me, and I've gained like so much weight since then. So I need to lose like 15 to 20 pounds if I want to fit into this, but it's like one of my favorite dresses, so I'm going to be keeping it. And then I have this one-piece dress slash jumpsuit kind of thing, and I've never worn it. It's kind of new, and I'm going to be keeping it because it is so cute, and I will definitely be wearing this when the spring and summer comes along. Next, I have this white dress that I used to wear a lot, but I haven't worn it in over a year. So like, I really want to keep this one, but I feel like I should get rid of it because I haven't worn it in over a year. But you know what, I'm gonna keep it. You know, I know I've kept a lot of these things, but don't worry, I'm going to be getting rid of things soon, because as we get further back, it gets to like further since I've worn things. So trust me, I will be getting rid of things very soon. Next, I have this blue dress. It literally still has the tag on it, and I've never worn it. I think it's cute, but I've had it for over a year and I've never worn it, so I'm going to be getting rid of this one. Next, I have this dress, and I really like this one, but I have to lose weight if I want to fit into it again. But to motivate myself to lose weight, I am going to be keeping this one. Then I have another little cover-up thing. I only have two kind of cover-up dresses, so I'm going to be keeping this one as well. Next, I have this romper. I used to wear this like all the time, and for now, I'm going to be keeping it. But if I do like lose weight, it's going to be way too big on me come summertime, so I might get rid of this then. But like, I wore this so many times and have so many memories attached to it, so I'm going to be keeping this one. Next, I have two dresses that I'm going to be getting rid of. First, I have this one because I bought it and it literally still has the tags on it, so I am going to be decluttering this one. And then this one, I wore this dress once and it is a very pretty dress, but I feel like it's so similar to the other one, and I haven't worn the other one. I'm probably not going to wear this one anytime soon. Next, I have this little black summer dress, which I'm going to be keeping. I wear this all the time in the summer. Next, I have this dress that is so like, this is the definition of my style, so I'm going to be keeping this one. Next, I have this long, beautiful dress. You can't really tell what it looks like on the hanger, but it's like the most beautiful dress I've ever seen, and I'm waiting for like a special occasion to wear this one, so I'm going to be keeping this one. Next, I have this jumpsuit, which is like amazing to wear at work in the summer, so I'm going to be keeping this one. And then I have this dress, which my aunt gave me, and I really do love this dress, but I am so short that it's just way too long on me, and it does make me look so thin. But I can't walk good in this, so I really don't want to get rid of this one, but I feel like I should and I have to, so I am going to be decluttering this. And then I have this cape for like Halloween, and I have no idea if I'm ever going to wear this again. So I'm going to be decluttering this as well, and that is the last thing for this video. So out of everything, I have gotten rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dresses and 2 skirts. I still have 14 dresses. So out of the 20 dresses that I owned, I got rid of 6 and I still have 14. So that is a little over 25, a quarter of the dresses that I own. So it's amazing that I got rid of that many. And there's just so much more room in my closet right now. And I got rid of 2/3 of the skirts that I have, which is fantastic. So now I'm going, most of these things will be on my Poshmark. My Poshmark is always linked down below. So if you want to check any of these things out, definitely check out my Poshmark. Okay, so apparently it's like a thing for my parent camera to stop recording while I'm trying to film an outro to a video. So I will probably be uploading things to my Poshmark soon. Everything was recently deleted from it and sent to a donated, so I'm starting fresh. But check out my Poshmark for future uploads. It's always linked in the description bar. Comment down below how you like your declutter videos. If you like it's like time lapse, if you like a little bit of chit chat, a little bit of time lapse, all chit chat, let me know so I am doing what you guys want to watch. Like this video if you liked it, like it if you thought it was satisfying to declutter and clean, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I have a lot of declutters coming your way for the next few months, so if you liked this one, you will like those ones too. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!